Okay, hand soldering SOT-23 components. That's these type of components here. Alright, they come in a strip, again ready for loading in machines which pick and place. Okay, we'll just zoom out a little bit just so we can see. Okay, to remove them from the strip, again hold it down with your fingers using a pair of tweezers. Lift up the cellophane cover. Okay. And all you have to do is peel it back while holding the strip down. Very careful when you pull off the last piece. There you go. And then you can just flip it over, empty them out. Now I happen to need 10 pieces for 10 boards I'm doing. Just a short prototype run. Move them out of the way. Right, then we can move our board in. Now the way that they're mounted is you select one, flip it over. If they're the wrong way up, turn it over like that. Place on the board. Oops. Right. Using liquid flux, you flood the pad area. Then, using a pair of tweezers, well, first thing first, we adjust the board orientation for whatever we're most comfortable with. Move those components out of the way. And using a pair of tweezers, we move the component into place. Now notice this one's got 3 legs, so we mount the 3 legs on the pad. It's in exactly the right location on the board. Next, we take our soldering iron. So there's a nice clean tip. If it hasn't, we make sure it has. Then we take some solder. Place solder on the tip of the soldering iron, like so. Then holding both sides of the SOT-23 component, like so, make sure it's exactly on the pad. We solder the single pin on this side. Don't touch the body of the component. There you go. And that's soldered. Nice and neat. Then we turn the board around. And again, holding the component with the tweezers, push it down on the board and solder the remaining 2 pins. 1 and 2. If you're not very happy with the wetting of the solder, you can always add more liquid flux. Do it one more time. There we go, beautifully wet. That's it done. SOT-23 soldered.